Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to delete and restore pages in Notion. So from your home page, you need to find the page you want to delete. So I'm going to go over onto the left-hand side. I'm going to choose one of my pages. So I'm going to click on the daily planner. So say I want to delete this. I'm going to look up into the top right-hand corner where the three dots are. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to scroll down to where it says move to trash. So when I click on that, that disappears. If I've made a mistake and I want to restore that, I can scroll down on the left-hand side to where it says trash. And from there, I'll see the one that I just trashed. So what I can do is click this little arrow and click restore. And that will add it back to my space on the left-hand side again. So that's how you delete pages and restore them in Notion. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.